These are the other elevators at the World Trade Center ramp, St. Paul, Minnesota. These are Westinghouse this time. These are the hydraulic ones with 3 levels. Down to D. And it has an epic motor. Saw myself in the mirror. Inside the glass. It's my reflection. Takes a little while to level. Now we're going to go up to 3 and we're going to watch you listen to these hydraulics. Gonna view the window. Not really slow, by the way. Slower than Otis's. Here are 3. Let's send this one down because I want to ride the other one, which is right there. There's the other one. And this one does not have a bell in there, unfortunately. This one wearing a napkin in this elevator. Down to D. These are still nice looking ones, but they're older than the Otis's. Here's the other one going up. We're going to go up to 3 and watch the numbers. Here's the other one going up. Now we're going to listen to this one going up. Here it goes. Hear an ambulance, hear a fire truck going by. And we will end the tour at 1. Very nice elevator. You can really see the inside of the other elevator, but really barely you can see it through in there, but that's where the other elevator is. Well, that's the other side of hydraulics. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.